Hi and welcome to a new mini workshop. My name is Veronica. I help teams connect and work more efficiently. In this video, we are going to do an exercise that will help you with auditory discrimination, working memory, and attention. For this exercise, you'll need pen and paper. You're going to hear sounds with three different lengths: short, medium, and long. It's represented by the symbols that you can see on screen. Now I'm going to play some sounds and you will have to write the symbol according to the sound length. Then we will compare what you wrote with what I played. Pause the video here if you need more time. Number 1. Let's compare. Number 2. Let's compare. Number 3. Let's compare. Number 4. Let's compare. Number 5. Let's compare. Number 6. Let's compare. Number 7. Let's compare. Well done, and thanks for watching till the end. So if you like what we do, please support us by subscribing and liking the video.